You'll find me out on the gravel bike today. I'm going to ride a few new trails and see if we can find any of that elusive gravel here in Lincolnshire. The bike of choice is the Nuke Proof Digger Factory. Let's hit those trails. Now time for a bit of fun.
Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and leave some French vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some French vibes on my way. On my way. On my way. Can we just dance? Can we just dance and forget about it? Tired of the race. Can we just dance and forget about it? Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and leave some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes on my way. On my way.
Gravel! This great piece of gravel is bringing me out at Donanook Nature Reserves, the seal sanctuary. Unfortunately, there's lots of riding on this as well. And what is making it worse, it's not just big chunky tyres, headwind, quite beefy headwind as well, heading along this tarmac. Go slow. It's not, it's coming out of my comfort zone. Don't mean I'm a fast rider, I mean just slower than normal, you know. We're just past the entrance to Skid Row Church, which is the most hauntest church in the whole of Lincolnshire apparently. Found some UK gravel. Absolutely beautiful day. Absolutely filthy. Hey, great job. I'm just going around the airfield at possibly Manby. I've been this one way once before when I first got into riding bikes. Couldn't tell you what bike it was. Hope you enjoyed all my videos throughout 2022. If you haven't yet subscribed, now might be the time to hit that button. Just a wet, muddy bridle way. Christmas Eve bargain, 51 pence. Oh yeah, demolish it. So fueled up for the last 30k of the ride after stopping for those donuts. Anyway, it's all on road now, so nothing exciting. Only one thing left to say, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.
Can we just dance? Can we just dance and forget about it? Tired of the race. Can we just dance and forget about it? Let it all go.